The action camera game just got flipped on its head. For the past 8 months, Camera Reflex and multiple industry insiders have been hinting that Insta360 is preparing something far bigger than a normal upgrade. Something that doesn't just compete with GoPro, but could genuinely replace a compact cinema camera for many creators. That camera is the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, and if the leaks we've been seeing are even close to accurate, this could be the most powerful action camera ever made. The crazy part? It's barely an action cam anymore. It's evolving into a cinematic, AI-driven creator tool. And if you're into next-level tech that actually changes the game, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because you'll definitely want to stick around for what's coming next. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, a full 1-inch class sensor. Now, if you don't speak camera nerd, let me translate. That's massive. Most action cameras use tiny sensors. They're great for bright daylight, but the second the sun dips or you're shooting indoors, everything falls apart. Noise, crushed shadows, washed out colors, you know the drill. But a 1-inch sensor? That's a game changer. Think of it like having a bigger bucket to catch light. More light means better color accuracy, cleaner shadows, brighter highlights, and way less of that grainy mess you get in low light. We're talking about the kind of performance you'd expect from a mirrorless camera, not something you strap to your helmet. Imagine shooting a sunset skate session where the golden hour light is perfectly captured, or a moody forest hike where the shadows don't turn into a black void, or even a late-night city vlog where the streetlights actually look vibrant instead of blown out. That's the jump we're talking about. If Insta360 pulls this off, they're not just competing with GoPro anymore. They're coming for Sony, Panasonic, and everyone else making premium creator tools. And here's where it gets wild. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second. 8K at 60 FPS. That's not just a spec bump. That's a statement. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who needs 8K? I don't even have an 8K TV. Fair. But here's the thing. 8K isn't about watching it in 8K. It's about what you can do with all that extra resolution. When you shoot in 8K, you've got roughly 33 million pixels to work with. That's 4 times the resolution of 4K. You can crop it up to 200%, reframe your shots in post, and still export in crisp 4K. You messed up your composition? No problem. Just punch in and adjust. You're basically giving yourself multiple camera angles from a single take. For travel vloggers, this is huge. You don't have to nail every shot perfectly in the moment. For action sports creators, even if you're a bit off with your framing while bombing down a hill, you can fix it later. And 60 frames per second? That's buttery, smooth motion with built-in slow motion capability. You can slow your footage down to half speed and still have smooth, natural-looking motion at 30 frames per second. Whether you're filming extreme sports, travel content, or narrative short films, this combo is a cheat code. But resolution means nothing if your footage is shaky. Insta360's flow state stabilization has always been impressive, but the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to take it to another level. We're talking gimbal-smooth footage, even when you're running full speed, biking down rocky trails, or face-planting off a skateboard. Traditional stabilization works by cropping into your image and shifting around. It works, but you lose part of your field of view, and if the movement is too extreme, it can't keep up. Flow state is different. It uses advanced algorithms combined with gyroscopic data to predict and compensate for movement in real time. It's not just reacting to shake, it's anticipating it. And it does this without cropping your frame to death. You get smooth footage in your full field of view. Think about what this means. You're skiing down a mountain, your whole body bouncing with every mogul, but your footage? Silky smooth. You're running through a crowded street market, weaving between people, and the result looks like it was shot on a Steadicam. And if you're tired of lugging around gimbals and extra gear, this might be the camera that lets you leave all that at home. Less time in post, trying to salvage shaky footage too. What you capture is what you get, clean, smooth, ready to edit. But even smooth, high-res footage takes forever to edit, right? Not anymore. This is where things get really interesting. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to come packed with next-gen AI tools that basically act like a personal video editor inside your camera. We're talking AI noise reduction that cleans up your low-light shots automatically. Auto-highlight detection that scans your footage and pulls out the best moments. No more scrubbing through hours of clips. Intelligent subject tracking that keeps you in frame even when you're moving like crazy. And auto-framing that adjusts your composition on the fly based on cinematography principles. Think about how much time this saves. You go out and shoot for 3 hours. Mountain biking, hiking, exploring a city. You come home with gigabytes of footage. Normally, you'd spend another hour or two just reviewing everything. With auto-highlight detection, the camera's already picked out the best 20 or 30 clips. Some rumors even suggest in-camera editing capabilities. The camera could take those highlights, apply stabilization and color grading, sync them to music, and output a finished video, all without touching a computer. Now, will it be perfect? Probably not for every situation. But for daily content creators, or anyone who just wants to share their adventures without spending hours editing, this is revolutionary. And for creators who pump out content daily, less time editing means more time creating. More time living the experiences that make your content interesting in the first place. But here's something nobody talks about enough. Let's be real. Action cameras have always had terrible battery life. You're lucky to get an hour of 4K recording before it dies. But with the Ace Pro 3, rumors suggest a larger capacity battery, better power management, and improved heat dissipation. Translation: you can actually shoot 8K for extended periods without the camera overheating and shutting down. And when it does die, fast charging with USB-C power delivery could get you back to 80% in under 30 minutes. Design-wise, expect a brighter flip touchscreen, possibly 1,000 nits or more, for clear visibility even in direct sunlight. Improved waterproofing built right into the body, possibly up to 10 or 20 meters without any case. Better audio with advanced wind reduction, so your footage doesn't sound like you're standing inside a tornado. And expanded accessory support for lights, mics, and filters. These might not sound as exciting as 8K video or AI editing, but they're the features that determine whether a camera is actually usable in the real world or just impressive on a spec sheet. The Ace Pro 3 isn't trying to be just another action cam. It's positioning itself as a hybrid creator camera, something between a GoPro and a Sony mirrorless. Let me be clear, this is not for everyone. If you're a casual user who just wants something for family vacations or occasional adventures, you probably don't need this. It'll be overkill with a price tag that doesn't make sense. But if you're a YouTuber creating weekly content, a travel vlogger documenting professionally, an adventure filmmaker building a portfolio, or anyone who needs cinema-quality footage in a compact, rugged body, this might be your new best friend. Think about the typical workflow. Serious creators often shoot on mirrorless cameras with heavy lenses, gimbals, external recorders, and tons of accessories. It's effective, but cumbersome. You need a backpack full of gear and time to set up. The Ace Pro 3 offers a different path. Comparable image quality, built-in stabilization, AI-assisted editing, all in a palm-sized package that's waterproof and shockproof. You can throw in your pocket. You can mount it anywhere. You can shoot in conditions that would destroy a traditional setup. This is for people who don't want to compromise on quality, but also don't want to sacrifice mobility and spontaneity. Here's why the Ace Pro 3 is a big deal. It's pushing the entire industry forward. For years, action cameras were stuck in a box. Small, durable, decent quality, but never great quality. You used them because they were convenient, not because they were the best tool for the job. The Ace Pro 3 is trying to break that mold. It's saying, what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could have cinema-grade quality and the toughness of an action cam? And if Insta360 pulls this off, other brands will have to catch up fast or get left behind. Competition benefits everyone. We get better products, more features, and the entire content creation ecosystem improves. Beyond just cameras, this reflects the bigger trend. The barriers to entry are lowering. You don't need a film school degree or $50,000 in equipment anymore. Tools like the Ace Pro 3 democratize quality. That kid with a dream can now produce footage that rivals what TV studios were making just a decade ago. This is the future of content creation. High quality, accessible, mobile, AI-assisted. Now, quick reality check. Everything we've talked about is based on rumors and leaks. None of this is officially confirmed yet. We don't know the final price, exact release date, or if all these features will make it into the final product. But the rumors are coming from reliable sources. The technology exists, and Insta360 has a track record of delivering on ambitious promises. So yeah, it's probably mostly true, but expect some surprises when it actually launches. Will the Ace Pro 3 live up to the hype? We won't know until it drops. But based on these leaks, it's looking like Insta360 is about to set a new standard for what creator cameras can do. If you're hyped for this camera, drop a comment and let me know what feature you're most excited about. The 1-inch sensor? The 8K 60 video? The AI editing tools? I want to hear from you. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest tech drops and creator tools that are actually worth your time, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The content creation game is evolving fast, and we're here to help you stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.